Hey, would you like a free sample of this or this? Maybe this or this, or like a ton of other products. Hey, I'm Gary from the Braid Besties, and starting the 1st of March, I'm going to be giving away a free sample of braids and wigs and crochet hair every single day. That is one free sample each day. I'm going to be unboxing the sample on my socials at 7 p.m. each night, after which it will go on my website to be redeemed. Now, that is one each day, so it's going to be first in, best dressed. The first sample is dropping this Friday, the 1st of March. So join me. Thank you. Oh, I forgot to say join me where? On my TikTok, or my Instagram, or my YouTube, the Braid Besties AU. Thanks.